subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new smartphone under Reno series in Kenya called Oppo Reno5 F. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno5 F supports a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate and 135Hz touch sampling rate in a normal mode, and it goes up to 180Hz while gaming. The smartphone comes powered by MediaTek Helio P95 chipset, paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo Reno5 F features a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP mono lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has an 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. The device packs with 4310 mAh battery that supports 30 watts whoop fast charging, and additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.1 by 73.2 by 7.8mm and it weighs around 172 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno5 F has been priced in Kenya at 31,499 Kenyan shillings. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in fluid black and fantastic purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno5 F smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.